There are only 10 seats up for grabs in the courtroom, and you can see across the street at the base of the courthouse steps, journalists are already lined up to secure one of those spots. Our own David Bieniek will be inside tomorrow to see how these closing arguments unfold. Karen Read left the courthouse on this final day of testimony to cheers from her supporters. Read had said she might take the stand in her own defense, but never did.
You've decided not to testify?
Yes. Yes,
Tough
meaning
decision?
no. No, not as tough as I thought it would be, the way things came out.
The final three witnesses the defense did call all agreed John O'Keefe's injuries were not caused by a car. Two accident reconstructionists said if Read did back into O'Keefe with her SUV at 24 miles an hour, the damage to the car would have been worse. So would have O'Keefe's injuries.
Just imagine having your arm out and being struck by a car at 25 miles an hour. There's going to be significant damage.
The defense has alleged a corrupt investigator broke Read's taillight and planted fragments at the scene. The reconstructionist tested another theory that O'Keefe threw a cocktail glass at that taillight.
We noted and observed that there was damage that was consistent with that of the subject tail lamp.
At tomorrow's closing arguments, each side will have 1 hour to make their final case to jurors. 1 hour to sum up 29 days of testimony, 68 witnesses from the prosecution, and 6 witnesses from the defense.
I think the defense knew what they were doing here when they wanted to just make their points, get in and out.
Peter Ellikin has been a criminal defense attorney for over 35 years.
The prosecution needs to prove the case beyond a reasonable doubt. And there were loads of reasonable doubt here.
And while the jury gets the last word, Karen Read is also vowing to tell her version of events.
They'll be clarified one day. They'll be clarified.
Now, there are 12 jurors and 3 alternates. Tomorrow, a clerk will randomly pull names out of a bingo cage to determine which 12 will deliberate.